Well, I think birds are just so naturally interesting and attractive that anything you can do to bring people in contact, closer proximity to those birds will just automatically make a connection. So, and sort of the two main ways you might think of doing that would be having people out on walks, general, and then bird feeders. Allowing them to learn a little bit about some of the basics of bird feeding, and that just brings them in so close. You can get birds just right outside your window there, and that's just going to naturally draw people's interest. There are a lot of subtle details to it that you can get involved in, different types of seeds for different types of birds and lots and lots of different types of feeders, but probably most anything you put out is going to bring some birds in, and then as the people individuals get more interested, they can branch out. I think the birds just help us appreciate beauty more just because they have that. I mean, not only in their appearance and their song and so on, and I think as we become more tuned to the environment through things like birds, it helps us to slow down a little bit. We're such a culture filled with busyness and being online and plugged in that we need to get away from that sometimes. And the natural environment has a restorative effect, and so I think birds do that as well as any other part of the creation. And then I think then as people become more tuned into plants and animals, the environment, they start to appreciate it more, and they can become more aware of the fact that we won't have these things, a healthy environment, unless we do something to help preserve it, protect it, keep it clean, and so on. So any outdoor activity like that's going to help us preserve that, so that our future generations can enjoy it also.